accept Rihanna, talk loud in the camera yesterday. That's why we accept Rihanna as a Jamaican woman, you know. Number 10, Rihanna oh shut up. Now TikTok like me back again. Because them say, yes man, and them mix up the war here. Oh, we say Rihanna, Jamaican news you deal with. She's practically a Jamaican, yeah. She's Barbadian. She have a little vibes about her. You wish her, no Jamaican wish she was Jamaican. We accept her as a Jamaican and the thing we are going with her this now sound like something that would happen to a Jamaican woman. Where another woman, no now you never hear me yet, you know. Is another woman shoot up Rihanna house, you know. I just want to know we're counting on news blame number 10 on my item, King Nyah, the news blame countdowner. Is Rihanna almost went downer by a big gun, kind of gun, AR-15 or some shit like so. And when one girl use, nice pretty girl like she too, and you know that must be over a man that sound like a Jamaican. That's why we accept Rihanna. Talk loud in the camera yesterday. That's why we accept Rihanna as a Jamaican woman, you know. A them thing the Jamaican woman stir up.